Hello and welcome back to J&G Electric. My name's Joey. I'm the master electrician, and you can see my boy Watt in the peripheral of the film shot. He's our golden doodle. He's our mascot. Anyway, today what we're going to talk about is stab wired electrical receptacles that you may find in your home. Now I'm going to come in so you can see the back of this outlet. There are little holes. These little holes are right here. So what happens is you would strip your wire, you jam it into the back, okay, and that's stab wired. So what happens with stab wiring and why that's a problem, as you can see, it's very firmly installed, and this is great. But over a period of time, when you're actually plugging receptacles into the front and then you're unplugging it, you're pushing and pulling. And eventually this stuff gets loose. So instead of having speed wired, what you should do is actually wrap the wire around these screws. Again, your brass colored screw is the power, and the silver colored screw is for your white wires, your neutral, okay? And then as we've talked in the past, the bare ground wire is for the ground terminal at the bottom. So the difference between this and this is going to last you probably the lifetime of the outlet. If your outlets are like this in your house, chances are you're going to be calling us or you're going to be fixing them. And the symptom of this type of a problem in your house is where the outlet doesn't work and then the outlet just automatically comes back on, or the light goes out and it comes back on. This is an indicator of stab wiring in your home. So keep that in the back of your mind, and hopefully you like the content. If you do like the content of our channel, please subscribe. And until then, I'll see you later.